J America has recently launched a brand new accessory to add to their Sherpa collection known as a blankow. And this accessory opens a lot of doors for branding opportunities. And what better way to customize this unique accessory than with Stahls' new CAD-CUT heat transfer vinyl soft foam. I'm going to show you how it works using the Hotronix auto clam. This 2-in-1 product allows us to get a lot of profit opportunity by printing 2 locations. The first location I'm going to show you is by loading this on, by keeping it in its pillow position, and threading on this front pocket in which the blanket tucks into. And when I thread this on, I want to make sure that my Sherpa is not stretching too far across my 6x10 platen so that we're not distorting the image once it's heat applied. I'm going to take the CAD-CUT Soft Foam and place it on the front pocket and heat apply so that we can get our first print location. I'm going to cover with a cover sheet and apply for its recommended time and temperature. Soft foam applies at 300 degrees for 15 seconds. This product is a cold peel, so we're going to wait for this to cool and then peel the carrier back. And now we can go ahead and remove the carrier to reveal how soft foam truly stands on the Sherpa. So soft foam is a nice dimensional product that is very soft to the touch, which pairs perfectly with such a high pile of fabric such as this Sherpa blanket. Now as the blanket is unfolded, that opens up another print opportunity for us. So we're going to print the center of the blanket so that we can build more profit opportunity in one piece. As you can see here, I already have center marked with a piece of thermotape. So I know exactly where my print location needs to be so that it is center and middle of the blanket. Now all I have to do is place my soft foam and repeat those same application instructions. Again, soft foam is a cold peel, so we're going to head to the table and remove the carrier there once it's cool. CAD-CUT Soft Foam is also a great product for an alternative to embroidery. And as we know in this industry, Sherpa is commonly customized with embroidery. So if you're looking for an easy solution that still gives a nice premium look, soft foam is definitely the answer. Sherpa is known for its soft hand and comfortability, making soft foam the perfect complementary heat transfer vinyl. For more information on blankos, visit jamerica.com. And to get started with CAD-CUT Soft Foam, visit stahls.com.
Hey, my name is Josh Ellsworth and I'm one of the Stahls TV educators. I'm going to encourage you to subscribe to our channel. If you like the video content that you just watched, we publish it all the time. I've been creating YouTube videos for over 10 years, helping aspiring apparel decorators or apparel decorators like you to grow and expand your business. Thanks for watching.